What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing the WatchOS 6.1.1 software update. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay guys, so first what you need to do is make sure that your Apple Watch is on the charger and that it is at least charged 50% or more. And then you're going to make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on. So what you need to do is swipe up, Wi-Fi is on. And then you're going to go to your iPhone and go to the Apple Watch application and select it. Okay, and then you can go ahead and scroll down to General and go and select that. And then you can go to Software Update. Okay, so we're checking for update. Okay, it looks like mine may have started downloading already. And as you guys know, with Apple, they usually when you do the software updates, they provide a Learn More tab down here, and they don't have it for this update for the watch. So I'm just going to take it as this update isn't needed as much as the other ones were. So yeah guys, it pretty much just says provides important security updates and is recommended for all users. So I take it as they're just fixing a couple bugs and you know, some slight changes that are being made. If you don't feel like, you know, this update is for you, then I would recommend not doing it. You know, if your watch is functioning pretty much, you know, okay, and there's nothing really wrong with it, then I would say you can go ahead and skip this update. But yeah guys, so I'm going to go ahead and resume this download, and then we're going to install the software update on my Apple Watch. Okay, so it's now saying that there are 4 minutes left with the download. And yeah guys, I'm just going to go ahead and wait, and then we'll begin to install. So guys, the software update has downloaded, and now it is preparing to install. So this is a pretty hefty software update. I believe Apple Watch said it was 186 megabytes for this software update alone. So it's going to take a while. So I'm just waiting for it to finish preparing, and then it will start installing. Okay guys, so it is finally ready to install. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. And it's asking for my passcode. And now it is verifying. So yeah, let's go ahead and wait until this finishes and make sure everything installed correctly. Yeah, I'm just going to let this run its course, and I'll update you guys once it's finished. Okay guys, so my phone finished rebooting and the update has installed successfully. WatchOS 6.1.1, your software is up to date. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Road to 1,000. Make sure you subscribe. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a major giveaway, 4 gift cards total. So you don't want to miss out on that chance to win. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Peace.